Emily's making a snowman, or a snow woman, or a snow girl. Is that good snow to make a snowman with?
Yeah.
What's your snowman's name?
Skylar.
Oh, it's a snow woman. Cool. It's almost as big as Nance. Very cool. Oh, here comes the head. Come on, Nance, keep rolling it. That might be big enough for the head. Good job. Wow.
Now I need a head.
I think she's got it.
Do you have the head for my snowman?
It's right there. Honey, I'm taking the video of the snowman building contest. Do what with it? Emily, how many times do I gotta tell you? Nance, you're rolling it the wrong way, honey.
Emily!
You
Nance, I'm helping you. I want to do this by myself.
I think that's big enough for the head.
Emily!
Just start another one.